Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on PinkSale. PinkSale is a popular launchpad where new cryptocurrency projects conduct their initial token sales, often called presales. By participating in these presales, you can acquire tokens at an early stage, potentially before they are listed on exchanges. This early access can offer a significant advantage, as successful projects often see their token value increase substantially after launch. We will explore the steps and strategies to navigate this exciting opportunity effectively. PinkSale facilitates presales, allowing new projects to raise capital by selling their tokens to early investors. During a presale, tokens are generally offered at a discounted rate compared to their initial listing price on decentralized exchanges. The goal is to buy low and sell higher once the token gains traction. For example, a token might launch at $0.1 and quickly climb to $1 or more. Thoroughly understanding the project's fundamentals is crucial before committing any funds. To maximize your chances of profit, conduct extensive due diligence. This involves scrutinizing the project's team, reviewing their white paper, and checking for security audits. Strong tokenomics, a clear roadmap, and active community engagement are positive indicators. For instance, a project with a locked liquidity pool for 5 years and a transparent team is generally more trustworthy. Engaging with the community on platforms like Telegram can also provide valuable insights into a project's potential. While PinkSale offers opportunities, it also carries significant risks, including potential scams known as rug pulls. It is vital to only invest capital you are entirely prepared to lose. A smart strategy involves diversifying your investments across several promising projects rather than putting all your funds into one. For example, allocating $100 across 10 different projects is safer than investing $1,000 into a single one. Always monitor market sentiment and project updates to make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.